Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I have a kitty litter box that I have found to be useful. It's from Iris. It's an open top kitty litter box, and the reason I like it is because it's simple, it's easy to get in and out of for me and for the cat, and easy to keep clean. I'm going to show you what it looks like when it has litter in it.
So here I have it in my bathtub, and it fits perfectly in the bathtub. It's just the right size. I like the fact that I'm able to have the scoop hooking on the edge, so I always know where the scoop is, and the walls are high enough to keep litter spray from getting everywhere. I like the fact that it's open because I can see when it needs to be cleaned. It's easy for the cat to get in and out of, and it comes in two pieces, so I can easily take it apart and clean it. I'm just really happy overall with this kitty litter box. It's worked really well for me. It has everything I need and nothing I don't, so it's really been a great purchase for me.
So it's an easy to use, really simple, just two pieces kitty litter box. It's easy to fill, easy to clean, easy for the cat to get in and out of. I like the high sides so that there's not a lot of litter spray, and I like the fact that it has a scoop that clips right to the outside of the litter box. So it's been a really useful purchase for me, and that is my point of view.